everything that you must do and get done as a deed, as something that you are capable of, that you have capacity to do. Because time has got nothing to do with it. It has to do with your capacity, how you feel you can deliver, how you feel you are capable to bring this result to life. And when we go on this adventure through the paths of time, we're going to encounter many aspects of ourselves. But one of the most important is that you are good enough and that you have the capacity and you have the capability. But what is of absolute essence is that you must be willing and that you must be available. And when you are willing and you are available, time becomes your friend. And that's how you master peace. Because then, when time is your friend, you are a masterpiece. And you are a shining beacon to everyone that there's always enough time and it always gets done in the end. So be good to yourself. It was wonderful to share these few moments with you. Thank you. And thank you for sharing this with me today. I am very blessed to have received and to have been graced by your company. Have a wonderful journey with time, and may you be pleasantly surprised. See you soon.